afternoon. This is Philip with the American School of Plaster Restoration, and I'm here at a customer's home looking at some plaster problems, and we're going to go over a number of different issues and give the information that will help the customer be able to do a lot of this work themselves. So I'm here with Mark Infield today, and we're looking at some of the plaster problems he has in this house that he's remodeling. Mark, what have you got on this wall back here?
This wall was, the paint was starting to peel away and come off of the wall, and when I realized that, I started scraping it to get it off and found that there's wallpaper behind there. So I need to figure out how to solve the wallpaper problem so that we can actually finish this wall so it looks good.
Okay, so this wall right here, as you've noted, has wallpaper on it, and it's been painted over with latex paint. And it's really never going to stop peeling up, as you've seen in other spots over here, until the wallpaper is scraped down and removed like you have it at this point right here. But and that's a lot of work. But if you can get it to this point, the next step would be to either remove all of the backing, all the wallpaper backing, the brown paper, or you can isolate that layer with a layer of oil-based kills, because you don't want moisture to get back through it and reactivate the glue and soften the paper, which would then cause a problem in the future with the surface, with the paint will start to bubble and peel again. So